Hello friends, today in this video we are at Mulika Vanam, which is located at Aziz Nagar, Hyderabad. So this is set up by the state medicinal ministry of Hyderabad, and this is spread across 56 acres, and you have all rare varieties of medicinal plants. So if you are interested in alternative medicine, if you are interested in naturopathy, homeopathy or home medicines, this is the right place where you visit and you explore these plants. And they also have a small nursery where you can get some plants or some cuttings. So this is spread across 56 acres, and they have close to 800 to 1000 trees which are of rare varieties and are of medicinal values, right from Unani to homeopathy. And people who practice natural medicines, they come here, they explore, and even lectures have been given here. So this place is free to visit. It is right next to Murugabani National Park at Aziz Nagar, towards the Chilkur Balaji Temple Road, and it's very close to the city, just 12 kilometers from Mehripatnam. So it's a must visit place for you. So I'll take you through and show you a glimpse about this place and the kind of trees and plants that they have. So you have all varieties of plants, right from the neem plant. In neem plant only you have different varieties of neem. So this is the nursery that they have set up. They have all medicinal plant which you can buy it at a nominal cost. And for every plant they have given a description, and it's easy for you to explore here. Right from the plants to tree, they have given descriptions here which you can explore and get it. So this is the nursery that they have for herbal plants. And this is the Ministry of Ayush which has set up this, and various events take place here. And it's a model nursery for Telangana State Medicinal Plant Board. So the entry is free, anybody can visit here, and you can pick up your plants at a very minimal cost. So the model nursery that they have is really a good one. So they have all the medicinal plants here with the description and a clear note. So you can refer this, or you can do your research, come here, check for the plants that you want, and you can pick up and go at a nominal cost. So the trees, they start from 40 rupees, and the shrubs and the smaller plants, they cost you around 15 to 20 rupees. So you can pay it at the government website itself. They'll give you the link and the price that needs to be paid. So they're not taking the money by cash, so you can pay it online. Make some time during your busy schedule on a Saturday or any time during the week. So they open from Monday to Saturday from 9 to 4 p.m. Over the years, due to lifestyle changes and our food habits, we've started getting a lot of chronic diseases, and we start looking up to nature and plants for cure. While the medicine and the technology has improved, these herbal plants still play a significant role in preparing these medicines. Let me take you around these medicinal plants, right from shrubs to small plants to climbers to big trees. This Mulika Vanam has a wide range of plants which I have never seen in my lifetime. So most of these plants I've never seen, and I was stunned looking at these medicinal values of these plants. So each plant, or the set of plants that they have kept in this nursery, they have specific descriptions on the uses, the medicinal property, their scientific name, and what they cure actually. So it's easy for a common man to understand the use of these plants. Some of these plants are a must to have in every household, right from your common cold to fever can be cured with a few of these plants. Right, in our next videos we'll see how to utilize these plants in our day-to-day lifestyle. While I go around this place, I'm really stunned to see how nature has a cure for every disease, every problem. So when there's a problem, there's always a solution. That's how nature, when it creates a problem, it gives us a solution naturally. Let's go around and see the benefits of few plants, the uses of these plants, and what are the diseases that they can cure. While I can take you through a glimpse of these plants and show you what are their benefits. So I see a plant here for arthritis, urinary disorder, obesity, skin diseases, and high cholesterol. So this is the common name of the plant, and this is how it looks like. So there's this plant which they say it is good for tumors, skin diseases, constipation and anemia. They also have a different variety, herbal variety of hibiscus plant. And you see the uses of this one, it cures menstrual cramps, and it's good for hair, sore throat, inflammations, headache. So this they call it as citronella grass, and it's used in perfumes, cosmetics, insect repellent, antibacterial, and it also cures migraine. So this is the black cumin. This is how the plant looks like. And see, this is good for skin diseases, digestive, anti-cancer, and the uses are here. And it's a herb. See, I see the Nalleru plant here. So they say this cures broken bones, injured ligaments, tendons, and ulcers. So this is a climber which you commonly find it in the roadside, and not many know about this. So you have wild castor plant also. See, they have the uses also, which plant is for what. So this plant is for piles, urinary calculi, jaundice, wounds, asthma, and it's a good hair tonic. So the castor oil that we get, no, it's from this plant. Then you have the cumin tree, also called as Java plum. So the uses of this plant, you see, it cures diabetes, jaundice, ringworm, sore throat, bronchitis, asthma, and everything. So this is the plant. So there's this plant here which they say it is good for cough, cold, tuberculosis, asthma, and bronchitis. This is again a variety of insulin plant that we get. So it's called crepe ginger. And this is a herb and it is not a tree. So this cures fever, asthma, bronchitis, jaundice, and all urinary infections. Then we have the herbal henna plant, which is not the hybrid variety, which is used in medicinal uses. This cures skin diseases, premature graying of hair, burning sensations, wounds, and everything. So here you have the plant which is good for varicose veins, psoriasis, and to improve your digestive power and memory power. So this is called Indian pennywood, commonly pennywort. So this is how it looks like. So these are the tree species that they have. So in each of the varieties of trees they have a signboard of which has the name, the uses, and the medicinal properties of these plants. Yeah. So it's full of greenery. Even if you don't want to purchase any plant or you're not interested in medicinal plants, you can hang around here for a while. So the smell of these plants and the beautiful view that's there here will make you feel refreshed and good. We bought Ansh also here, so he's also exploring some plants. Look how happy he is. There's also composting unit here where they make compost and they sell it at a very nominal price. You see, this is their compost unit. So if you're looking to purchase compost at a wholesale price, you get it even at a cheaper rate than the wholesale price here. Here they have some indoor herbal plant units. So it goes on and on. It's a huge place, so I'm just giving you a glimpse here today so that you get an idea about this place and where it's located, how to reach here, and what all you can expect from here. So I'll just take you and give you a glimpse of certain plants that they've kept here. So there are plants which is used to cure leprosy, digestive problems and all that. So here you have a sugar substitute. So it's called the sweet tulsi. Here I see a plant which cures snake bite, tonsillitis, psoriasis, and it's also a liver tonic. This is the one. This plant seems to promote urination, stop bleeding and promote healing of wounds. And this is the one. So you have the star gooseberry here. So this, they say it cures obesity, ulcers, anti-diabetic, tonsillitis. It also improves vision and good for eye diseases. This plant, I have it at my home. So it's good for kidney diseases, gastrointestinal problem, menstrual pain, boils, ulcers and everything. This you get it at a regular nursery also. So apart from the model nursery, they also grow these plants to protect and conserve these medicinal plants. So while there's a lot of deforestation and everything for building apartments and huge buildings, the Telangana government, they've taken special steps to prevent these species of herbal plants, and it's a good sign that we have this in Hyderabad. So friends, these are the plants that we have purchased today. So all these we just got it for 150 rupees and it's really cheap, isn't it? So watch this video, visit Mooligavanam for sure, and you will definitely like this place. Stay tuned. I've pinned the location in description box to this place. Do visit this place and you will definitely love the experience. If you are in Hyderabad, this is just a 20 minutes drive from Medipatnam and a 15 minutes drive from Gachibowli through ORR. Do subscribe and share your comments, and for more videos, stay tuned. Bye bye.